Hello traders, welcome to IQ Option Telugu. Today's we plan to try every pair, how to analyze market in every market. Okay, let's start trading. The pair is USD Okay, the market is right now the consolidating last 20 minutes approximately. Okay, this area is its area right now. Okay, I place put from this level. The market will continue with downtrend because the previous candles are very strong. I'm expecting still market will continue to downtrend. Okay, very last second I won this trade. Okay, and the next, okay, I will go with GBP USD. This market also same condition. Now last, the next level is here. Okay, just place call from this level. And the next is the okay, in this market the market is downtrend. This is the level and the second level is here. Okay, the market will go down, more down. Up to this level. Last second I lost this trade, but no problem. Again I'll go with put. the sellers are very strong. Previously the sellers are very strong, but in this level the buyers are active. Okay, the major trend is a downtrend. I already previously told the market will continue up to this level, but in this area some buyers are entered, but the buyers are not strong at this level. Okay, on this trade, just this is just analyzing the market, how the market behavior, and this is the next buyer's entry from this level maybe. Okay, this is, there is no opportunity to take trade. GBB. Okay, from this okay, just place call from this level. Okay, the next level is here. The market will continue up to this level, and the minor trend is uptrend, very strongly uptrend. Okay, I expected previously the market will come to up, the market will come to this level. Okay, and the next target is, next seller's area is this. Okay, this is the OTC market, that's why every can't predict, you can't predict the right prediction. Okay, okay, just I place a call from this level. Okay, I know that the market will continue up to this level, the market will reach up to this level. Okay, that's why I place a call. But I place call from this level, but place it here. Okay, we'll check where will we put. See the market continue up to this level. OTC market anything will happen, but we have to analyze the right moment and right placing the right moment and analyze the correct market. Okay, where is the buyers or where is the sellers? See, the market is fully downtrend and minor trend is uptrend. Again market will continue to uptrend, downtrend. Okay, there is no sellers entered from this level. Okay, I just go with oh shit, I just missed my trade. Okay, the market will continue, the market will reach up to this level. Okay, just place put ash, again late entry. The market will continue this level. In OTC market, the fluctuation is very common. Not suggest to trade everyone in OTC market, but sometimes it will give very good results. Okay, I have understood. Okay, I just place call from this level. Okay, because of that buyer's entry from this level. Okay, previously already rejections from buyers, very strong buyers. Actually this is the buyers area. Okay, this is the SNR level. Okay, place again call. Very strong buyer center. Very strong buyer center. Okay, after this, right now the market is 1 2 3 4 5 6 pairs. The market the 6 pairs is available in market. I placed every pair in the market. Okay, every market condition. Just see, this is the consolidation area. I am right now the market is consolidation area, but I place a trade here because I put from this level. The market will very strong downtrend, and the market will continue the market downtrend, and that's why I place a put continually. And my second trade is call. I place a call. This is the this is the trend line, buyer's entry point. We draw a trend line in if you get next entry points in buyers where we'll enter and buyers or sellers. This is the confirmation and SNR level, buyers area 2. That's why I place a call here, and I want this trade also. And my third trade is again I place a put. Very strong sellers very strong downtrend, and continually I go with market. I follow the trend and I won this trade also, and this is my fourth trade. And this area is a consolidation area. The market placing here and here and here only, and this already the buyers entered in this level, and I continue place a call from this area because this area is a buyers area. That's why I place after two confirmations I place call the very strong buyers entry, and again after two strong sellers entry, one this is the retracement candle, and again I go with sellers. I want this also, and AUD CAD I placed here is a buyer's entry, but previously this area is a total area is a buyer's area, and this confirmation I placed these three confirmations, take a call. But in OTC market anything will happen. Okay, the buyers are not entered in, but buyers entered in this level. Again I place next trade in call here. Again I place call here, and huge buyers entered, but I previously expected buyers entered from this level, but the strong bearish momentum, the sellers are continued previous candle. Okay, from this level the buyers are entered strongly. Okay, if you like my videos and my explanation, please subscribe my channel, and please like and share my videos. If you want to learn candlestick analysis and psychology, please join my classes, and I'm class language is Telugu and Tamil, not in English. Okay, every month I conducting two batches of classes, and first week and mid of the month. Okay, thank you.